with that in mind, I want you to think about this. If you've been working in a company and you know that you've greatly impacted it, you know that you've taken on more responsibility, you know that you've saved or made them money, more money than, just what you were hired to do, then it's time to really think about going to that higher level. And, there are a lot of studies, it's interesting, that show that people will often wait until they think they're more than ready to ask for a raise or a promotion, especially women, by the way. So if I have any females on here, women tend to wait till they're so overqualified because they don't want to be rejected. And so I'll be curious to see if that's all of your big fears as well. And that's what's exciting about today. We're going to show you how to guarantee that it's not a flat out rejection. We're going to help you not only increase the chances you get a yes, but that it's not a cold or a hard rejection, that you're going to work through in that piece so that you can get that compensation that you want, that recognition that you want. Okay. But it starts with you making the decision that it's time to explore that. It's time to figure out how to achieve that. I think a lot of us hope that if we keep our heads down, the employer will just know to promote us or give us a raise. And that would be nice. And there are some employers that are really awesome about that. But there are a lot of other employers that they're just really busy. And they sort of have the mindset that, well, if you want more responsibility and you want that, you'll come to me. You'll tell me. And if you're not coming to me, then I'm assuming you're happy where you are. So we're just going to leave it status quo. They're not trying to be mean. They're not trying to be difficult or hold you back from getting more money or a bigger opportunity. They're just making an assumption that you're not interested because you haven't raised your hand. And so today we're going to show all of you how to raise your hand in a way that will be well received and really, again, increase the chances that you get what you want. Okay?